Hare Krishna. This is Ganga Sagar, Janakpur, Nepal. So this is Mithila, the place of Janak Maharaj. This is the place where Sita Maiya was born. These are the places where she performed the pastime. So the particular pastime connected to this particular stali, Ganga Sagar. Three things. One is, this is the place where the Swayamvar of Sita Maiya happened. So, where they exchanged garland, that Swayamvar ceremony between Sita and Lord Ram happened at this particular place. There is another story of how Ganga appeared here. So previously, there was a great king called Nimi in this dynasty of Mithila. So he wanted to perform a yagya and he called Vashishta to perform this yagya. But Vashishta denied because Vashishta said, I'm busy doing a yagya for Indra. You wait for some time and then I will come. So Nimi Maharaj was very eager to do it. He said time is very short. He did the yagya without Vashishta. So Vashishta Muni cursed Nimi to die. And Nimi also cursed Vashishta to die. So Vashishta was born again to Mitra and Varuna. Nimi Maharaj didn't want to be born again. So the sages churned the body of Nimi, and King Janaka, his son was Janaka or Mithi, after whom this place is called Mithila. So while they were churning the body of King Nimi, they invoked Ganga, Yamuna and all the holy rivers to appear here. So therefore this place is called Ganga Sagar. So this is not different than Ganga. By taking bath here, one gets the benefit of actually visiting Ganga Sagar and taking bath in Ganga there. So there is another story. Lord Ram, after the marriage with Sita Maiya, he was staying here for a few days, and he was walking through this place. He was strolling here. Janak Maharaj happened to come here, and Janak Maharaj told Lord Ram that I'm going to Ganga Sagar, Calcutta, to take bath there. So Lord Ram said, why are you going there? Ganga is here only. And Lord Ram bought Ganga here. So this place is considered to be non-different than Ganga Maiya. Ganga Sagar Dham ki jai. To go to Ganga Sagar actually in Calcutta, it's a very difficult journey, very difficult yatra. Lord Ram has made it very, very easy. Ganga Maiya ki jai, Ganga Sagar Dham ki jai, Janakpur Mithila Dham ki jai, Sita Maiya ki jai, Bhagwan Ramachandra ki